Yesterday we saw that gold and silver had created a base, and since then we had seen a good rise. That is what we had analyzed, that till the time gold trades above 1765, 1770, one can remain long and see what it has achieved close to 1790 levels. So what to expect today in gold and silver, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profit. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. The next update on gold will be released before the US cash session. So do watch that also. Let's start. First we'll look into gold followed with silver. Now let's have a look at the hourly chart. Now on the hourly charts we had seen that this has created a very strong brace and since then has retraced. This should be a retracement. See why it should be a retracement, till the time it crosses or trades above 1800, this should be considered a retracement. Beyond 1800, that should be called a reversal. Now see, it has created a high at 1790 and now trying to drop again. See, after a couple of consolidation candles, now again looking downwards. So this means here we have to remain cautious. Also, the pullback was because it was trading outside the Bollinger Bands and possibly that caused it to pull it back on the downside. So now on the hourly charts it appears 1780, which was the previous resistance level, now is going to be a good support. If you see it trading below 1780, you can expect 1776, which was yesterday's entry level for a bullish move, is now going to be a good support, and below that 1772 levels, 1771 level should be seen. So these levels are certainly going to be a very good support for gold, and if you see it trading below 1770, possibly we may see a sharper drop. Directional movement modestly bullish, stochastic looking to come into oversold zone, the MACD trying to cross over for a sell, the RSI trading comfortable. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, now look at the 2-hour charts, likewise 4 bullish candles, retracement, now again trying to reverse. So what should be in the near term charts, what should be a good entry point? Yes, you can buy here at 1780, 788 levels, but again expect 1791. Yesterday I also told you 1791 is going to be a pretty good resistance. Now beyond 1791 only we can expect that it is trying to trade bullish, and then 96 and 1800 levels should be seen there. And till the time it trades in this, till the time it trades above 1780, possibly we may see little bullish momentum. Direction movement here is bullish. It is trying to converge though. Stochastic is looking downwards with a minor retracement here. The MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a sell. RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts here. See, on the 3-hour charts, it has taken the support from here at 50 period moving average of this 3-hour charts. And at the same time, if you look at the candles there, it is showing a reversal possibly. See, these 4 candles very well aligned. Despite this breakout, there are 4 candles which are seeing a stronger resistance on the upside at 1787, 88 levels. So a good safe entry to buy is only above 1790 levels. That is clear here. If you see it trading above 79, we can stay long. And now look at downside. See, this is the first red candle here. Possibly when the next red candle starts, it may try to retrace again. And how far it can come back till towards 1775, 1770 levels again. Be cautious with the longs till the time it trades below 1790. Directional movement trying to converge here. Crossover for a sell. Stochastic has seen the highs, now looking downwards. Let's see if it gives a second red candle. The MACD is trying to converge. The RSI is also looking downwards here. Let's see if it continues to trade on the downside. Now look at the 4-hour chart. Now on the 4-hour charts, highs, retracement. Now see, these 2 candles are completely engulfed within the previous candle. It is just indicative of that this should be considered a retracement till the time it trades above 1780. Possibility exists that it can bounce, and on the downside 1776 and 1772 70 levels should be. So there is a very strong support lies here, and only if gold breaks this support you can expect a crash. So till the time it trades below above 70, the chance of bearishness will be very less here. The directional movement is bullish and trying to converge. The stochastic is trading at highs. The MACD had crossed over, however, see very little divergence, and it is looking forward to converge again. The RSI is looking downwards. Now coming to the daily charts. On the daily charts, we had seen three candles very well aligned, and that is what I had told you, that it is looking forward to a rise. Precisely, that is what has happened. A very strong bullish momentum has been seen. Now, what can happen? See, if it is bullish, it can come back till towards 1780 levels, slightly higher than the previous, half the candle size of the previous candle. And from there, if it bounces back and trades above 1788, 1790 levels, you can expect that we are looking forward to another good bullish momentum, which might in fact take it till towards 1800 and beyond those levels also. So for the day, one thing is very clear, that till the time it trades above below 1790, we are not going to buy gold. And also on the downside, till the time it trades above 1780, we are not going to sell. In fact, if we are selling at 1780, it must be with extra caution, as it has got support very nearby. Some, see, it appears 1778, 74, 75, and then 1770 levels. These three levels are going to play a very important role for gold. Below 1770, you can again see 1765, and if it drops or breaks below any of these to 1765, you can expect a very good drop, which might take it for 1760, 1740 levels. So till 1770, if you have taken a short entry, you have to trail your stop loss. This is going to be a bit risky, as it can reverse any point of time, and hence you have to remain cautious while taking a short position at 1780. You have to strictly trade with the trailing stop loss and keep shifting your stop loss to your cost price, such that in case of reversal, your trade closes in profit. So this is all for gold. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver again below 2260. This is very important. 2260, 40 levels are very important for silver. Now let's have a look at the chart. Now look at the hourly charts for silver. See, drop 2220, retracement 2260, drop in fact 2200, and then retracement to 2280. So higher lows, lower lows and higher highs are getting created. Now if it continues to drop this time, I expect this zone at 2240 and 2230 are going to be a very important support zone, and only if silver breaks below 2220, you can consider this as bearish. Now let me show you something else here. See the hourly charts here. It tried to rally multiple candles, tried to break past 2280 levels, failed to do so, and now looking forward to a reversal. Now see this, these candles getting support at 2270, and then this is a breakout here. So right now it is, and also couple of red candles. This candle is failing to go past 2254, which is a very good support, and 2250. So one thing is clear, only below 2250 you can sell, but then expect 2240 and 2230 and 2220. Every 10 cents there is a stronger support, and hence you have to trade with caution there. This is one part of it. Sell at 2250. Now, directional movement is bullish, trying to converge. The stochastic has again come back to oversold zone. The MACD has crossed over for a sell here. You can see this first red. RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, now look at the 2-hour charts here. See this? All candles falling in line here. And the support there at 2250 here. So the bottom line is, the bottom of this trend line is very well intact, and that is why I say yes, if you see it trading below 2250, you can take a sell position for 2240, 2230, 2220, and below that a good crash can be expected. And at the same time, on the upside, I will only recommend you to buy at 2270 levels. So in between 2250 and 2270, do not take any position. Directional movement bullish, stochastic looking downwards, the MACD trying to converge, the RSI trading flat. Now look at the 3-hour charts. Now look at the 3-hour chart. See, after hours of consolidation, see, this is the breakout candle and the first breakout candle. Now first breakout candle also suggests that there could be a second breakout candle, second red candle. So yes, there is a probability that it can come back to 2240 or 2230 levels, and from there we'll see how it behaves. So only sell entry is below 2250 and only buy entry is about 2270. Everything is clear here. Stochastic is overbought, now looking downwards. MACD trying to converge and cross over for a sell. So it would be interesting if it crosses over for a sell. RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts here. A wall out here, and then this breakout. This is the first breakout candle. Also, this is just trading at the bottom of the support levels. Hence, you have to remain cautious here. Similar observation, nothing different. Stochastic overbought. MACD trying to cross over for a buy. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts closely. Higher lows, higher highs. On the upside, $22.90, $23, very strong resistance. Beyond that, anyways, it is going to fly. The pivot here at 2254, 2250 is very strong support, and also this is a very strong support level. Below that, certainly a drop. If you see it trading about 2270, certainly you can remain long for 2280, 2290, $23 level, and then beyond that it is going to fly for its 2315, 2325 levels. So this thing is very clear. The direction movement is still bullish. Stochastic has come back to comfortable levels. The MACD is willing to cross over for a sell. RSI comfortable. Considering this for the day, sell at 2250, buy at 2270 for these 20 cents. Just watch about 2270 till 2300. Every 10 cents there is a little resistance. Beyond that, 2315 and 2325, 2320, 2330 zone will come into picture. You have to be alert there. On the downside, 270, you can expect 2260, 50, 40. These three are the supports at every 10 cents. Below 2240, directly it may try to land. See, yes, let me share 2230, 2220. So in fact, you can sell at 2250. That is what I had mentioned. So 40, 30, 20, these are the three support levels, and below 2220 it may crash for 2210, $22, and below that a crash may continue. I don't expect that it is going to happen. Possibly once it breaks past 2270, you can still expect a good bullish rise. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Please like, share, subscribe and comment, share it across with your friends and support the channel. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.